Yeshiva of Flatbush, we ask our students, who do you want to be?
I most likely want to go into biotechnology or bioengineering.
I want to do something in psychiatry.
I want to be involved in business.
I want to make the world a better place.
I want to be an attorney, potentially in entertainment or criminal law.
I really would love to go into cancer research.
It's important for me to give back to my community, developing the community to be a better place.
You could be that and more. Follow in the footsteps of our graduates.
Hi, my name is Ezra Mosseri.
Hi, my name is Norma Sutton-Harari.
My name is Albert Terzi.
Benjamin Blumenthal.
Sarah Tassone-Dweck.
I'm Stephanie Tarab. I'm studying biomedical engineering at Columbia University.
I currently live in New York City, and I am the founder and managing partner of Ezra Venture Group and a director of product management at Publicis Sapient.
I am in Macaulay Honors College and Brooklyn College, and I am involved part-time in Flatbush's post-high school learning program. I'm the youngest teacher here at the Midrash.
I got married in 2020. I work at Lyft as a software engineer. I do not get free rides.
I graduated Barnard in 2022. Now I'm married. My husband is Joey, and we have a son. Now I'm getting my clinical psychology PhD.
A friend of mine from my class in Flatbush, we had founded together a real estate company in Midtown Manhattan. We currently have 6 employees that we work together with.
Part of the reason why I pushed my parents to allow me to go to Flatbush is because I saw that it afforded opportunities that I probably couldn't get in the context of a Jewish education anywhere else.
Flatbush was a very important influence on my life. As a kid from Queens, the commute was pretty intense every day. I would wake up about 5:30 every morning to get to school in time for a minyan. It taught me a tremendous amount of discipline. I've been an early riser ever since.
Being at Flatbush and having school and then going to extracurriculars, then going home and needing to study. When I got to college, I was in class from 9 to 12 every day, and I was able to finish my work and be so productive because I had the experience at Flatbush where I got really good at developing a work ethic and pushing myself.
Over the course of 4 years, we want them to grow in each one of 5 areas. The first is their commitment to Torah. Second is the character. The third is their sense of responsibility. We want them to be perpetual learners. And finally, we want them to be capable of navigating the world around them.
What I took from my experience in Flatbush was the value of accountability. Accountability to those around you and accountability to the Jewish people as a whole.
I was in the double Gemara program with Rabbi Harari, and I took Rabbi Prague, and those experiences really helped solidify my love for Jewish learning.
What we try to do is to make the kids internalize. We are part of a Masorah, the same as every generation is a link.
A lot of what I learned in Flatbush, it really changed me as a person, being independent, learning full day.
Albert Terzi was one of our students who was interested in his spiritual growth about involving others. Our goal is to empower them to stand up and be the rabbi of the next generation.
Flatbush really set me up for the future because now I'm able to say I'm a proud Jew and I really enjoy practicing and being observant.
I am so grateful for the Jewish education that I had. I'm able to pull out a book. I'm able to learn. I want to continue growing religiously. I want to take on doing more mitzvah.
We work very hard at the yeshiva to make sure each student can discover their voice, discover their path, understand who they are. Every single aspect of the school is about personal development.
We do throw them a lot of responsibilities, and one has to learn how to manage their time, how to manage their life.
I actually walk around with my senior year Flatbush schedule, and I see how rigorous our curriculum was. I am equipped to handle the challenges that are put in front of me today.
When I went to Flatbush, there was a very strong reputation of rigor and excellence, a tremendous training, and really are the exercise for all that you'll deal with once you go out into the world.
What we really try to instill is really a love and curiosity of life, of learning, and that our kids are equipped and ready to take on the world.
We're raising 5 kids, and I drew on a lot of lessons that were shaped in me early on in Flatbush. My wife is Tamar. We met in high school, actually, on Model UN, which was a extracurricular activity in Flatbush.
In Flatbush, there were a ton of opportunities for me. I was always going from one club to the next during the day.
I was very involved with the extracurriculars, but those really helped me learn how to speak, How do I relate interpersonally? And I think that's directly linked to psychology.
Participating on the AV squad, the need to problem solve and the need to constantly reinvent was truly an unbelievable experience. The amazing thing about Flatbush is you can pursue your interests in a way that also gives back.
I remember the Flatbush was probably one of the earliest schools to adopt chesed hours. There was chesed everywhere. A lot of the extracurriculars revolved around chesed.
You know how many of our students have won prizes and awards, both in Israel and here, for the unbelievable chesed that they do because they learned that they're enabled.
The beating heart of our institution is Ahavat Yisrael.
It starts in the classroom, spills over into the hallways, pulsates through our programs, really comes out in our many trips that we have to Israel. And by the time our students are graduates, and very often turns out into year of study in Israel post-high school, and for many, Aliyah.
I went to Israel after high school and I became more interested in learning.
Studying in Israel for the year was probably the best decision I ever made. Being independent, learning full day.
Our students have a deep commitment and love for the people and state of Israel.
I definitely utilized Pathfinders, which helped me in terms of doing internships or shadowing someone for the day to learn about different career options.
Pathfinders help students not only figure out what they want to do in high school, but also what they want to do after high school.
The college guidance was really critical. They helped me in terms of choosing courses. They helped me go to Barnard.
The college process begins as soon as you enter the doors here as a freshman.
Flatbush does a really good job at understanding what colleges are looking for and helping you as a student be a really strong applicant for the college.
If you're in 8th grade now, you're so lucky. There's so many opportunities for you, even more than when I went.
You can really find what you want to do, find your passion. There's not just one path, you have to make your path.
Flatbush showed me that with diligence, with excellence, with motivation, drive, and openness, you can achieve tremendous amounts of things.
Can I say, for the record, it was very difficult to choose just a few alumni for this film. You've just seen a small sample of what the Yeshiva of Flatbush produces. These 6 alumni are exceptional, but so are so many of our graduates and our current students. They are all changing the world in very unique and different ways.
So if you feel like it's important to be in good company with a good group of people who are striving to be better, to uncover their best selves, and to really shape themselves to be productive contributors to the Jewish people, then Flatbush is the right place for you.